A few months ago, Huawei announced this brand new Huawei X Gentle Monster Eyewear 2. Yes, this is the second generation of this kind of smart glasses with audio device built in. I don't know how to define it, but yeah, you can listen to your music while wearing your glasses. And this one that we have here is the Smart Havana frame. There are a total of 4 different frames. This is just one of them. I don't know how all of those will look personally, or also how they will sound, because they kind of look different in each and every one of them. So, today's video, we're just going to take a look at the Smart Havana frame. Unboxing experience is kind of simple. So, in here, we straight away get this case and then another accessories box, which opens up really nicely, and then there's just quite a few things here. Documentation and also a Type-C charging cable. And yes, you need to charge your sunglasses via Type-C on the case itself, which is located at the back here. And there's also another pairing button, so if you ever want to pair to a new device, remember to press this button here. It might not look like a button, but you can actually press on it. So opening up, actually no, before I open up, I just want to comment that Huawei, thank you for giving this kind of hard shell case compared to last time's soft case. That one was really easy to damage the specs, but this one is a lot more protective, and you got a really thick layer of foam inside as well to protect your glasses, because to charge your glasses, you need to put it in only one particular direction, whereby the frame needs to sit in between these two cutouts. So remember, put it in and adjust it like this. And now, I'm not someone who required to wear glasses, so when Huawei sent this over, I was kind of weirded out, because yeah, when I wore this, they do have dummy lenses in them. If you are someone who wears specs, you can actually go to the stores, your optometrist, and cut this lens out for the Huawei Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 glasses. Yes, you can do that, and then when you swap that up, you can wear this as your daily pair of glasses, or if you actually want to do so, you can cut out those tinted lenses and then you can wear this as your sunglasses as well. Yeah, so it's kind of easy to just pair this and straight away use it. When you wear it, you can hear that there's a little beep that tells you that it's actually powered on. And I've already paired it with this phone, so let me just head into the Huawei app and see how things go. So when you got your pair of Gentle Monsters, remember to download the AI Live app from the Google Play Store, or if you're already using a HMS powered device, it's already built in. And this is actually the same app that we use to configure the Huawei AX3 Wi-Fi router there. If you want to know more, check it out at the top right corner there. So yeah, the pair that we have here don't have much battery left, but okay, we can still proceed. So what you can do in the app itself is to actually change the shortcuts. These glasses here, you can actually pinch it and then swipe it on both sides, and also to tap. So here you can configure all of your gestures on how you want it to be. The translation is a bit wonky because swipe, they call it slippery. I don't know why, but it's there if you want to do so. So let's head back to the Smart Greeting. Yeah, the Smart Greeting is the language that it uses to greet you when you wear this. You can actually turn it on or off too. And as for something called Smart Wear Detection, it's actually, as the name suggests, when you wear it, it's supposed to play or pause your music and something like that. Firmware updates, it's important because we already updated this thing a few times. And so far, I realized that the connection is more stable than before. What can you do with the Huawei Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 glasses? Well, you can actually listen to music. I have to commend them for doing something like this. This is the second generation, so I think they will have more generations in the future anyway. But I did realize sound quality is really good out of this pair of glasses. They sound really clear, really good mids, really good highs, but the bass is something that I can accept, because they don't create a seal around your ear, they just hang above your ear. So a loss in bass is definitely expected. So one more thing that you can do with the Huawei Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 is actually to listen to calls. Now, I'm not too sure how's the microphone quality because I have not tested it out yet, but from the looks of it, I don't really see where the microphone is. Presumably it's right around here, whereby it's next to my ear. I don't think the microphone is going to sound good, but I will still give you a recording of the microphone right here. This is how the Huawei Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 sounds with its microphone. Yes, the name of this product is pretty long, but we'll have to live with it. Basically, the Huawei Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 here is pretty much like a TWS, but it's not plugged into your ears, but instead it's built into your glasses. And by the looks of it, it's a pretty good product overall. I mean, the whole idea is really simple, and the execution here done by Huawei is actually really good. So one thing that the cameraman told me, because he's wearing glasses, actually out in the office here, only me alone, I'm not wearing glasses. They told me that the frame for the next generation, they hope to see that the frame is a bit slimmer, because currently it's a bit thick. So whoever has a smaller face, well, this thing takes up a huge percentage of the wideness of their face. So for me, I don't think I even look good wearing glasses, because I usually don't even wear sunglasses. So yeah, either way, really good product, good execution here, and I hope to see more of these things from other companies as well. But yeah, real solid. Just put it in like this, well protected as well. Zip it up. Real good. Now comes the price. That is something really premium as well, real nice, at 1,799 ringgit, which to me is really hard to swallow, because remember, this whole thing needs to be plastic, because if not, then it will create a Faraday's cage, which means that the Bluetooth signal won't work and all of those stuff. So the whole build material here is a mixture of plastic and metal, but I'm not too sure what type of metal they're using. But overall, this is, yeah, still very expensive for what it offers. I mean, if you can get over the idea of an integrated solution like this, you can just wear your normal glasses and then get a pair of TWS that would be a lot cheaper than this thing alone. And remember, while your glasses is charging, you've got nothing to wear on your face. So during that time, I suppose you can't see things. But either way, if you can live with those problems or shortcomings, I mean, it's still kind of in early adopter stage right here. It's a really good product right here. So that's all we have for you today about the Huawei Gentle Monster Eyewear 2, and we'll see you in the next video.